Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my nighttime routines for my relaxed hair. The first routine that I'll be showing you is my moisturize and seal routine. To start off the routine, I am going to use 1 pump of the Kerastase Hydrating Hair Oil. I am going to focus this on the ends of my hair as well as all the way up my hair strands and the top of my crown as well. This is going to moisturize my hair, make it smooth and silky, and also eliminate flyaways. Next, I am going in with the As I Am So Much Moisture Moisturizer. This is a great lightweight moisturizer that will leave your hair feeling soft and silky but not weighed down. After I have applied these products, I am taking my wrap brush and I am going to proceed to wrap my hair. I do enjoy wrapping my hair at night because I wear my hair down and this helps me to maintain my style throughout the week. Now, the day that I'm filming this video, my hair is about 6 days post wash day, and notice that my hair does not look super weighed down, super oily or anything after this routine, and that is why I really like it. And this routine will work well for you as well if you are someone that wears your hair down a lot, wears a lot of straight styles, or has relaxed hair. Your hair will feel soft, it will feel moisturized, but it will not feel weighed down, and it will still have a lot of movement. And that is what I feel is very essential for healthy hair. You want your hair to be moisturized so that it doesn't break when you style or do your hair during the day, but you do not want it to be oily or weighed down so that your style is compromised and you have to manipulate your hair extra to put it into a different style because you don't like the way your hair looks. I really hate when that happens, but these products help me to maintain my style and also help me to maintain the health of my hair. To finish off this routine, I am securing my hair with a wrap cap, a scarf, as well as a bonnet. This keeps my hair in place all night so that when I sleep, my hair is still intact in the morning, and all I have to do is comb it down and style it and go about my business. The next routine that I'm going to show you guys is the routine that I do on the off days that I do not moisturize and seal. Notice my hair has a lot more movement. That is because I had just washed my hair prior to filming this video. Before I get started wrapping my hair, I am going in with the Kerastase Hydrating Hair Oil again. I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and then I am going to wrap my hair. Now, this is what I do when I do not want to apply any additional moisturizing products. So I would say I do the moisturizing and seal method maybe 3 to 4 times a week, and then I do this method where I just wrap it the other remaining days of the week. And I find that this gives me balance. My hair is still moisturized, but it's not weighed down. And this is just a really simple routine that I enjoy doing and has been making my hair feel really good lately. And I've also been enjoying the way that my hair looks. I recently got a trim and I'm focusing on the ends of my hair and just making sure that I can retain as much length as possible. And so I am going to be focusing on moisturizing and sealing and making sure that my nighttime routine is up to par so that I can retain as much length and have as healthy of hair as possible. Let me know what you guys think about my routine, if you will be trying my routine or the products that I showed in today's video. And also let me know what you want to see from me in future videos. I really appreciate the recommendations that you guys have been leaving so far. I've also been appreciating and enjoying some of the compliments that you guys have been leaving me. Thank you so much for everything, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will list the products down below as well as leave links if I can find any, and I will see you guys in the next video.